They said, Martina, you cannot make a real estate video in the rain. But like a kid, I could not wait to jump in the puddles because today's home makes the big splash. With everyone inside together, meals taste better and memories last forever. Watch the showers rolling through the big windows and stay dry by the fire. Rain or shine, this home got you covered. And when the rain stops, there's so much more to explore. Rain or shine, you will love this home. See, you can make a real estate video in the rain.